Good afternoon. I am going to show you how to create a user in Windows XP. This is my desktop here in Windows XP. XP is an older version of Windows. And some people say it was one of the best ones that there was. It's all well and good. Windows 7 is the newest version, so this one, as I said, is a couple years old. To make the create a user is somebody who's going to do something on the computer. So to protect the computer and if it is on a network, the server and everything else, you create this user and then you tell them that they can do certain things. We're going to go Start, Control Panel. While it's bringing Control Panel up, we're going to look. There's a lot of different things you can do here. We're going to go User Accounts. My computer's just a little slow. So here's User Accounts. Here's a Learn About section. This is really cool if you don't know what is what. In XP, there are simply three types of users. There's the administrators. They can do anything on the computer they want to. There's a limited account. This is just the basic regular user. They've got more permissions than a guest account, but a lot less than the administrator. The guest account is like when you go to a hotel and you're using their computer, you just click on. The guest account is the most restrictive. It doesn't let you do very much. But we want to change an account. We're going to create an account. So it's the second little box. I would not suggest you mess with changing the way users log on or off. It's better to have a system that everybody knows. So we're going to create a new account. We click there, and while it brings up the window, we're going to name the new account. This is the name of the person. Sometimes it can be a number, depending on the level of security that you want. You can do just about anything. So we are going to create Lenora. Lenora is a new hire here. We're going to give her some access to the computers. She's not going to be a computer administrator. She's just a regular schmo. We don't want her to be able to change or create accounts, make system changes, install programs. Okay, with a limited account, you can change or remove your password, change your picture, view files that you've created, view files in the shared documents. We're going to create the account. And here's Miss Lenora. Now, you see I have three different pictures, and some people just look at the picture and then they try to log on as that person. So we're going to click on the person, Lenora, changing the name. We're not going to change the name. And again, some of this here will not be there when Lenora logs in. You won't probably be able to change the name. You won't be able to delete the account or change the account type. Pretty much what she's going to be able to do is the password piece and changing the picture. We're going to change the picture, and we'll make her the fishy. So there's the fish. Okay, we're going to create a password. And if I can type today, we'll be okay. So we're typing our password. The only thing I don't like is it does not have something to tell you the strength here. Pretty much you're stuck. I like my password hints to be as confusing as possible and as broad as possible, but still something I would know. So I created my password. And that is how you create one. We're going to click here and shut that. We'll go back in, I just got to thinking, Miss Rowan here, she got fired yesterday. So we're going to delete Rowan's account. Do you want to keep her files? This is important because in a business setting, sometimes people create things, and the work product is owned by the company. It is not owned by the person. So you could either delete your files or keep your files. We're going to keep the files, and they are going to be on the desktop in a folder called Rowan. We're going to delete the account, and bam, she's gone. I hope this, we're going to X out of these two, by the way, and I hope this helped you learn how to create user accounts.